All right, so this is the deep breathing exercise. So the first thing, find a comfortable space and put a towel roll right under the base of your neck to keep that natural curvature. Take my mask off so you can see. All right, so the first thing is you're going to take a deep breath in. The air you want to fill in your low back and your stomach, okay? So inhale, you should feel it in your back. You're pulling the air all the way down into your pelvis. On the exhale, you're exhaling through your mouth and you want your ribs to come down towards your pelvis on the exhale. So we're going to do a couple of them right now. What you don't want is your accessory muscles. So if you're exhaling, you don't want this to tighten. It should all be in your core. So one more.